Hello, I am Matthew Hager and I'm going to be demonstrating the priority to-do list application. Let's open up the app. As you can see, we already have some sample tasks populated in here. Let's go ahead and add a new task. Let's call this task Wake Up because it's super important that we do this every day. So let's give it a top level priority. We don't need a description for this, and we can always add one later if we want to. See, now it's sorted at the top. All these tasks are color-coded, which is associated with a different level of priority. You can edit a task and then change that priority, and it'll sort the task list accordingly. Now this task we can delete if we want by hitting the delete button, or we can edit it and make it recurring and add a description. This checkbox is for when tasks come in at the start of the next day. Every day a new list is automatically generated blank, and users have to add in the task they want to do for the day. This option allows you to have certain tasks always come back in. And we also have this archive. We can see previous days and go into that task, and you can take a look at see what those tasks were. Had a low priority, sample task if it had a description, and we can add those tasks back into our main list. If we don't like how this app looks, we can go into settings and we can change the backgrounds. There's just some default pre-populated backgrounds currently. And we can also change the theme color to be something more suited for our tastes. Make sure to save the settings. Also, if you have any issues with using the app, you can report bugs here by hitting the bug button at the top right. You can describe the bug as best you can. A simple help message normally wouldn't suffice, but this is a test. You can send it, and then we can go back, and you can see the background changed as well. Now throughout the day, as the users use the app, they will routinely finish tasks and then continue, but they might not complete all their tasks at the end of the day. And as we demonstrated earlier, we have a recurring task. So the main features of this app is as we close the app, let's say we go to the next day. So it's now the next day. We open up our app, and you see those two sample tasks were marked as recurring and they happen to come back in. And we had an incomplete task, so we can automatically add that as well before adding anything else we need to do. And we don't even have to set a priority if we're in a rush, and we'll just add it at the bottom. And that's the basic functionality of our to-do list.